Find or read reviews that people are talking about Rickwayy car vacuum cleaner, handheld car vacuum cordless rechargeable. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Rickwayy car vacuum cleaner? Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful suction, fast dust removal. The car vacuum cleaner is an efficient car cleaning tool, 120-watt high-powered pure copper motor, 7000 PA powerful suction power can easily suck away dust, breadcrumbs, pet hair, food residue and other small objects. In addition, the vacuum cleaner uses a DC air duct acoustic noise reduction design, effectively reduce the working noise. Wireless and portable, long-lasting battery life. Rickwayy wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner weighs only 0.85 pounds and has no cumbersome wires, providing greater mobility and convenience. The car vacuum cleaner can last up to 20 minutes of cordless operation after a full charge and can be turned on while charging, keeping your car comfortably clean at all times. Reusable HEPA filter. Built-in HEPA filter, the car interior cleaner, easy to disassemble and clean, can efficiently inhale more than 99% of the particles, while being able to be washed in water without damaging the material. Environmentally friendly reuse, to prevent residual odor. What's more, it also comes with a protective cover to save the waste in a transparent large capacity container, which allows you to clean up in a timely manner. Various accessories, clean without dead space. This portable vacuum cleaner for cars supports both dry and wet use, and is equipped with special accessories to help you easily clean any place. The slot nozzle can be used for hard-to-reach corners and cracks, and the dust removal brush is suitable for car cushion, ventilation grill, and other surfaces. The long soft tube can clean the hard-to-reach area for your daily operation. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.